Okay, so we back, right? And this is the Amazon wig. One thing about me, when I want to do color hair, I'm going to order the wig from Amazon. I'm not going to go and buy an expensive 613 wig just to color it and chop it up, because that's what I be doing. So, yes, Amazon for the win. Yep. Link will be in the description. I put my purple shampoo in the water so I could tone it, because even though I'm coloring it, the parts that I want to leave blonde, I don't want it to be like a yellow blonde. I want it to be like, you know, a nice tone blonde. So I'm dipping it, and then I'm going to leave it and let it sit for a good 10 minutes. See, now that's what I'm talking about, that blonde. Anywho, this is the pink that I used. I used this pink for the whole wig. I started off with doing the roots like this because I didn't want to do the water method and end up tinting the lace like a dark pink, because that be happening sometimes. Like, I know when I dye my hair red, when I do like the water method with red, if the lace goes in the water too much, all hell goes loose. And then next thing you know, I got like a red tinted lace. I don't got time for that. So this is how I did it for the roots. Now later on in the video, you're gonna see that the bottom is pink, and I did the watercolor method for that. I didn't record it because my camera ran out of storage once again. I need to get like 700 SD cards at this point. But you'll see at the end. Anyways, this is how I did the roots. And then at the end, I did the water method. That's not recorded, but I'm just letting y'all know. When I started coloring it, I was doing it going down, but then I realized it was like a little patchy, and I wanted the roots to be fully pink, so I went back and added more color horizontally. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I really was just freestyling with this wig. I really didn't have any inspiration. I just knew that I wanted the wig to be pink, but I didn't want it to be fully pink. I wanted it to be pink and blonde. You will see the end result. Still, somehow the whole wig is pink. But hey. So it's the next day, and the wig is air dried and stuff like that. I'm jamming, about to install the wig. That damn pimple. The pimple is gone, but the mark is there, and oh my God, it's killing me. Anyway, I don't know what I was listening to, but I was having a good time. cut them ear tabs. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. This time around, I only used one glue. Like in the last video, I used 2 different glues. This time I just used one glue. Kept it very simple. I did one light layer, and then when I dried, I did another light layer. So I only did 2 layers. Very calm, very subtle, because this wig is not staying for long, I'm telling you now. And let me tell you something about this wig too. Like I told y'all before, I have an oval head. My head is round and long. Not long, but it's literally an oval. This wig was shaped so funny. Like the hairline was shaped so funny, and I really did not feel like doing too much, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't feel like plucking it and trying to adjust it to my hairline, so it just be whatever. Like, I really just learn as I go. I'm just bringing y'all with me because people be asking. But at this point, I'm looking and I'm like, damn, I should have put the pink a little further down. Like, I'm looking where I put it at. I'm like, damn, I should have put it down here. But hey, I just be doing stuff, so this is the outcome. I feel like every time I do my hair, I do it differently. I always try different products and different techniques. Why? I don't know. I'm just one of them people that be trying shit. So yeah, but I'll put all the things that I used in this video in the description. Yeah, after I put the elastic band on, I curled it, straightened it, crimped it, and every single way that I've tried to style this hair, I did not like it at all. So that's why you're not seeing the process, because I was frustrated. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I don't know what I was trying to do, but this is what we got. This is what we got, okay? I done tried to curl it, straighten it, crimp it. I was just trying to be a little adventurous because I do like to try different styles, you know? Instead of just regular middle part, regular side part, I'm just doing a little different, you know, a little cutesy wootsy vibe for Valentine's Day. But as of right now, I'm not feeling it at all. I don't like it. And I only put 1 layer. Well, I put 2 layers, but 2 very thin layers, and I only used 1 glue this time, specifically because I'm like, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how I feel about it, and it's not gonna stay on my head for long. So if you like it, I hope that you enjoy the view for now. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. If the intro of this video looks different, that means I probably, it's maybe like a day or two later, and I probably restyled it in a way that I actually like, and then maybe I'll re-record. If not, this is it. If you like it though, I'm glad you like it. But as of right now, I'm not the biggest fan. But thank you guys for watching. See you next time.